Hi. Vision models are at the forefront of many AI applications that are currently being built. Stability AIs, stable diffusion models, flux models, and many are actually giving amazing results when we use it for image generation and many other purposes. In this particular demo, we're going to use Llama Vision Instruct Model, which is available in the DigitalOcean platform as part of one-click GPU Droplet deployments. I have already deployed this GPU Droplet where my Llama model is available for API inferencing. So we're going to use that behind the scenes. And here is where we can see the details of the GPU Droplet which is deployed. So talking about this very simple UI interface, so we are calling it as a PicChatter because we are allowing users to upload an image and then ask any questions, follow-up questions about the image. And instead of giving a typing option for people to ask any questions, we have given a mic wherein you can just click on that. And we are using a JavaScript library called Anyang, which is a very lightweight library which detects the speech and converts into text, and the text will be passed on to this Llama model along with the image that is uploaded, and then Llama model will give the response which we're gonna display it back here. Let's see how this works. So I'm going to use a very simple image here. The thing is, this image contains a lot of information. This is particularly useful for these kind of scenarios where there is so much of information in the image. I might not want to spend a good amount of time in understanding what this is. So probably what I can do is I can just ask a question about it. So let's say I'm gonna give it one try. Hey, I see a lot of numbers in my finance dashboard here. Can you summarize this in 2 to 3 sentences?
Here is a summary of your finance dashboard. Overall, your total income is $4,719.
Okay, I'm just pausing the audio. So basically, I have got a detailed information about the summary of the dashboard is a couple of things. I can read about it entirely here, which gives me a really good information about what that means when the image is having so many information in front of me. Or if I am truly busy, I can just be busy with doing something else along with, let's say, I can just hear this information completely and then I can ask follow-up questions to continue with it. So I really felt this useful when I actually have images which contains a lot of information. I can just upload another image, I can ask a question, or for the same image, I can ask another follow-up question. I can go on like this. So I think this will be really useful for people who wants to actually not spend time looking into images, trying to understand them. Just upload it and chat with it, ask any questions, and these models are really good at understanding what's there in the image and answer those questions. So hope this is useful. I'm going to share this code in the YouTube description. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.